और चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ एयर चीफ मार्शल ज़हीर अहमद बाबर सिद्धू की जानिब से कहा गया कि मार्का हक में पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स ने दुश्मन के दांत खट्टे कर दिए। 10 मई को दुश्मन के डिफेंस सिस्टम को कामयाबी से निशाना बनाया। दुश्मन के जदीद तरीन तैयारों को पाक फजाइया ने मार गिराया। फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर ने मार्का हक में कायदाना किरदार अदा किया। मजीद कहा कि पाक फजाइया ने तमाम अफवाज के साथ मिलकर बहादुरी और हम आहंगी से वतन अजीज का दिफा किया।
Our adversary is always bent on undermining the sovereignty of this beloved country. The recent conflict in May this year is also a manifestation of the same. Alhamdulillah, in a remarkable show of unity, the people of Pakistan and its armed forces defeated the enemy with far greater numerical might. The world was stunned to witness the superb execution of Pakistan Air Force operation on the fateful night between 6th and 7th May, when Pakistan's sovereignty was challenged by the aggressor. PF upheld the legacy of fighting outnumbered and shot down the enemy's most modern and capable aircraft, including multiple Rafale jets on 10th May, with Pak Army with a paralyzing punch and struck their bases, beside neutralizing state-of-the-art defense system, S-400 and command and control centers. Pakistan is a peace-loving country and wishes to maintain friendly relations with all, especially with our neighbors. However, let me make it clear, if our nation's sovereignty is challenged, our adversary will find Pakistan armed forces even harder and better prepared.